All right, incenters are angle bisectors. So an incenter. And an incenter is the same distance away from each of the sides. We know that this is going to be equal to this is going to be equal to this. Those three lines are equal. I don't have any of them. That's not good. This is 26. Now notice that the corners are not the same, so I can't know this one yet. But I do know that if this one is 24, then I know that this one right here is also going to be 24. And that's about all I can find quickly and easily. So let's see what questions is asked for. It says VT. Okay, well that's an easy one, 24. YW, don't know it. SX down here, don't know that one either. YX, that'd be the same as this one. So YW and YX are the same. SV, well, don't know that one either. All right, so we got some work to do. All right, so let's, but this would be the same as this one. These would be the same. So this one would be the same as this one. Okay, that helps. So only two things to find. All right, so let's start by finding, I'm going to use this triangle right here to find VY. Now you may think, why is finding VY? That's not one of my things. Well, YV, YX, YW, those are all the same. And so since I have these two sides in this triangle, I'm going to go ahead and solve that. So let's do that right there. And so the two legs are the X and the 24. And the hypotenuse in this triangle would be this 26. So X squared and 24 squared is 576. And 26 squared is 676. And we're going to subtract 576 from both sides. And that ends up being x squared equals 100. That'll work out good because the square root of 100 is 10, so x equals 10. So that means that each of these lines going to the middle are all 10. 10 and 10. So the YW and the YX are both going to be 10. And that'll make this next part easier because now I'm going to look at this triangle right here. This is also a right triangle. And now that I know that this side is 10, and I already know the hypotenuse is 29, I can find this missing one here. So let's look at this triangle right here. We've got the two legs, 10 and my unknown. So x squared plus 10 squared equals, and then the hypotenuse opposite the right angle is 29. So put 29 squared. So x squared plus 100 equals, and then 29 squared. Let's see here. I can't do that one in my head here. 29 squared, 841. And subtract 100 from both sides, and we get x squared equals 741. And then take the square root of 741, square root 741, 27.22. 27.22, so that would just be 27.2. So 27.2 for both of these. Okay, because that would be this side, and these are the same length. And that's how you do problem number 4.